Right, back at my truck. And what I'm going to do is this power wire going from the battery to the starter. I've traced it and it's too long, this one here. So I'm going to change it. I'm just going to slacken it in there. It's just too long, it's all coiled up. I'm going to take it off. Well, not take it off for now, but I'm just going to unclip it and stuff so I can measure it. Get me on. That's what I'll do. These two power cables are taped together, I didn't like that, so man, take this tape off. I'm not disabled. Oh, I start up my wire. I've no idea what these wires are like, so I'll be changing the one going to the starter anyway. I've untaped the two wires, the positive and the negative wires, so they're not taped up together. There's a positive one, see it's got a big extra bit on it there. I don't think they're original. It goes on to there. Oh, I'm going to change them anyway. Try and get one that's a bit shorter. See where the earth goes. It just goes into the gearbox there. The earth's a bit long, but you can get away with that. You know, not much shorter on that. Yeah, I'll get light leads with light terminals because that's still not square post wires. There's a small power wire goes from there to there. I'll get new terminals, so that's the same. Still on its square post wiring. I think. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Right, next job. There's a sump yard held in with 410 mils. I'm going to take it off. One, I'm going to change the oil, and two, I want to run up temperature and check for leaks. I'll put it back on later on, probably. I'll stop something getting bashed with a stone in a field or something. There. One there, two there. I'm going to do the back ones first. You get this half of there. Actually 8s. So I just got a wee stubby ratchet. I don't need the battery ratchet. Right, let's get this off. Attempt number 3. It is a 10. But my sockets are muddled up. Story of my life. There we go. So you need to take this off to service it anyway. It's like that air filter one I took off yesterday. Right. I'm going to do that too now. Get that off of there. Sump guard off at the back. 2 bolts down. Let's take these 2 front ones out now. I need to use the ratchet. I had it up my foot. So we'll do. Right, I can get the bolts out. There we go. Sure. Yeah. Look at the sump in that now. A bit of surface rust in the sump, but no harm to it. Just checking this. Pump that I put on, it's all seems dry. I say it only ran for a minute or two. I only need to run it up properly, but Good. Right. So I'll be changing the oil. Right, I'm back under the truck. I'm just putting the bolts back in the holes that came out of. Just so I know where they are and then I can get in them. So, okay. So. Perfect. Right, I'm at the back of the truck now. The number plate here, that's the new plates I got for these. Are just ones I bought and stuck on temporary so I could drive it to the welder. But the only fitting I can see is an 11mm nut in the back, so we'll take them off and see what happens. I want to take the South African plate off, it's underneath. Oh aye, that's going to work. Put the normal plate back, the new plate on it, and then I can hang the South African one on it if I want. Oh, spare wheel carrier hitting the deck. Oh, nice one, that was easy. Yes. Right, cool. Yeah, I'll separate these. I've got that off of there, but that was some stickies that was like. Let's see how this works now. The bolts are fun inside. This is a holder. This plate just pops out it. Same in the front. I'm not going to touch the front now though because I've got another bumper for it. So, as I say, yeah, I'll clean that off later. I'll go and set that in the sun. There's the South African plate. I'll go and set that in the sun. That's the other plate in the holder. I'll put the bolts back in the back panel. Put that in the sun. I'll weaken that glue so I can get that tape off of there. Right, I'm going to get coffee. So I'll leave the front one now because I'm going to change the front bumper. Got another bumper for it now. So there's no point doing it twice.